I'm working on this idea of generative prosperity, the idea that we give and we receive, and as we create that prosperity through sustainable methods, it helps our world. So it's always important to know the full story of something before I make a judgment. In fact, I don't even like to make a judgment, but sometimes I have strong opinions, and then once I learn the full story, it's totally different than what I thought. So some people do not like the idea of spray paint or plastic chairs at all. Well, I agree that's not a good thing to do buying new, but if they've been given to you or if you found them, then most certainly it's a good idea to reuse them. Something like these chairs that need a little bit of an update but are in still good shape, and throw them away because they don't look perfect. Or you could take some paint and paint them and make something nice.